Let's talk about Email Chaser. It's a tool that promises to solve one of the biggest headaches in cold email: landing in spam. And on the surface, it looks like they really thought through the core issues: email deliverability, sending volume, and campaign management. But is it really the best tool for agencies in 2025? Or is it just another all-in-one with a clean website and a bunch of features you'll never actually use? So let's start with what it gets right. Email Chaser is built around a simple pitch: email any executive without hitting spam. They back this up with few key features. First, it replaces spin tags with GPT-4o. This means instead of manually writing randomized variations of your cold emails, email uses AI to lightly rewrite every message. And that helps avoid duplicate content filters from email service providers like Gmail and Outlook. Next, you got automatic follow-ups built into every campaign. So once you launch a sequence, Email Chaser keeps nudging prospects without you needing to do anything. You also get unlimited sending accounts. This is big for agencies because you can rotate between accounts in the same campaign. That helps scale up volume while keeping deliverability strong. And speaking of deliverability, they take a hard stance against traditional warm-up tools. Their entire deliverability system is based on gradual ramping and inbox rotation, so you don't need warm-up pools that risk of getting your domains flagged. The dashboard itself looks clean. They got a built-in sales CRM that centralizes all replies from your campaigns. You can customize pipeline columns, view total deal value, and even leave notes on specific leads. It's simple and more intuitive than something like Instantly, which still feels a little bit duct taped together. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing. Now let's talk about pricing. There are two main plans. The basic plan is $37 per user per month. That gives you 3 sending accounts, unlimited leads, AI rewrites, CRM, and analytics. The professional plan is $97 per user per month. That one unlocks unlimited sending accounts, so you can truly scale volume without limits. Compared to other tools in the space, this pricing is competitive, especially for smaller teams or solo founders who want something fast and simple. Here's what I think. Email Chaser is great if you want fast, scalable outreach without spam headaches. But if you care about deeper personalization, hyper-relevance, or running campaigns that feel human, Email Chaser is not the best you can do. That's why I recommend checking out Salesforge, specifically Agent Frank. Agent Frank doesn't just rotate emails and rewrite lines with AI. It generates full, hyper-personalized cold emails that sound like you wrote them, based on public data from LinkedIn and company websites. It's hands down the most advanced AI cold emailer on the market right now. So if Email Chaser looks good to you, Agent Frank is what happens when you level up. You can take a look at the video about Agent Frank right here. If you don't want to, you can let me know what tool to review next in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.